What's up guys, welcome back to another video, or if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I've got a cold and I'm quite hungover, so my voice is a bit weird today. But today we're going to be installing a new exhaust system on Matt's Focus ST. We're at the garage where the missile is, just waiting for Matt to arrive now. We're going to have a little barbecue and yeah, just chill, fit his new exhaust. But yeah, once he arrives I'll show you what exhaust he's bought and stuff. Should sound good. I had a look at it the other day and it looks like it's got some big tips on it, so it's going to be rowdy. The Barbies. The Barbies. Alright, I'll get back to you when Matt's here.
I'll give you a good polish, mate. Yeah.
Looks so good, doesn't it? It's
yeah.
Massive.
Clean. I want to polish this up.
So big.
I wouldn't mind like doing like another like kind of like an orange like dot work on this. Doing some like detailing on it.
Proper ST owner.
Yeah, proper mate. Gotta do the engine, mate.
Yeah. Here's the new exhaust. Look at this bad boy. Jeez. It's fat. It's quite a bit bigger. I think it's a full 3-inch system. Can't remember the brand. I'll let you know in a minute, or I'll put it up on the screen. Milway or something like that. It's literally going to be loud.
Yeah.
Look at the size of these mufflers. That is the only mufflers on the car. The rest of it is all straight. Straight pipe. You're running that sports cat, aren't you?
Yeah.
Sports cat. Yeah.
You gotta run some kind of cat.
Yeah, I know. You can't not run a cat. What brand is it?
Malian?
Malian. Oh yeah, it says it on here, doesn't it? Malian. Malian? Malian. Is it a UK company, isn't it? I don't know.
UK distributors are selling them.
It looks sick though, doesn't it?
Yeah, look at that bad boy, man.
Jeez.
It has got like a, check on the inside there.
Yeah, it is baffled. Yeah.
So, I mean, from the videos that I heard, it's not too intense, but. Oh! Oi! First step of fitting an exhaust, boys. Do a couple poppies, pop shovies.
You'll never more.
Max on there doing the thing. Come on, do something for the camera, mate. It's got to be spectacular.
Straight check off.
Oh, that would be sick.
Oh, don't worry, it's not the Ford that's making him do that.
Alright,
so as you can see, there's the old system coming off, 2.5. That's going to be interesting, the up and over. Yeah, see how that's going to go. So this is from the old D-Cat back, but I've got a D-Res there anyway, so... new piece, shiny.
That was a mission, but out with the old. This thing is massive. It's huge. Yeah, so that's the old exhaust system. There we go. Now you're going to be saving some weight with that bad boy, mate. That is heavy. That is proper, isn't it?
It's at least like, what do you rate? Like
I don't know. It's like
15 kgs?
Yeah, probably something like that.
Yeah.
It's quite
I'm not
heavy.
even fully picking it up and it's heavy.
Yeah. Replace it with this thing. It's just nice and light. Nice and light, mate. What, should we start with this end and work our way that way? Or should we put the front bit if it fits? Yeah.
So it's before anything else. I was having to be driving home tonight just with
the open exhaust.
Open exhaust.
Yeah. It wasn't us.
Oh, you see?
Yeah. Stock. The car's stock, honestly. The exhaust comes with these little plates and new poly hangers. This is the original one, so you just take that off, in that, and then it goes on like that. Well, I assume it does anyway, we'll soon find out. Shall I put both in ya? Right, pass me on the exhaust. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Well, I think the hangers might have gone the other way. They're not that way around, they're the other way around. So that's the correct way to mount them, not the other way. Oh, it's all in there. Pretty nice, mate. That's the other connection there. Put some exhaust paste around it. Hopefully it don't blow. Look at banging. Banging. Woo! It's all done. It's all in there. It looks so much better. So much better. These are actually fat. I've got them lined up pretty nice. Alright, go on then. Make sure you take her out of gear before you start it. Yeah. Loads of repairs going on. Got the IS. Got the 236s. They're still working on that one over there. Alright, you ready? It's not bad, it's not too obnoxious, is it? That's not bad, yeah. It's actually decent. You can hear the turbo a lot as well, can't you? That's sick. Yeah. That's fresh.
That is fresh. Happy stuff, seriously, look at that. What an improvement.
Yeah, it just looks so much nicer as well. It's not blowing anywhere. Lovely, mate. It looks beautiful. Beautiful, mate.
It's nice when she cools down. You know,
Yeah.
after the...
Yeah, like now, like you can barely hear it.
Yeah, that's true.
Perfect. That's 20 quid of fuel. We've got Ross's 36 here as well. Got Leon's compact, it's pretty fresh. Fitment game is pretty decent. Nice. Beasts, mate. The boot won't close.
The bumper's in the way, obviously.
Look, pull the bumper down. Look. It doesn't matter how the bumper
Ah,
is.
it's because it's not far enough in, isn't it, I
Yeah,
think?
it's got to go over, you see here? I think it's got to go over these clips
Yeah.
here.
The other side's broken.
Oh, is it? Oh.
Yeah.
Get out.
You're gonna have to cable tie your boot down, mate.
I think I just need a new one.
Just get a new car, it'd be easier.
I broke this one. Got rid of a new one.
That's sick.
Right.
Should we go have a quick blast up there?
Yeah.
We're gonna go up the road and give it a few little bean swishes, let you see what she sounds like. Sounds rowdy,
mate. Yes, sir.
Oh, spinning up, mate.
Traction's giving it like that. Alright, so let's turn traction off.
Mate, that pops proper now, doesn't it? Stop here a second, I'll get some sound clips from outside. Do some revs, there's no people around here, is there? I can't see a flames, no, but it's proper pops. That sounds sick. definitely sounds way better. But it's not obnoxious either.
No, it's not.
It's like, it sounds good.
It's like, I don't know, I'm gonna see it like 70 miles per hour, how does it sound? But like, this is fucking amazing, man. Like, to be honest with you, I don't really do big like drives like far around anyway, so it's fucking perfect, man.
So you're happy with it?
Oh mate, it's fucking
So good, isn't it?
Yeah, so much better than the original, man.
And also these, the Malian, whatever it was called. Malian, maybe, yeah. It was what, 380 quid?
Yeah.
380 quid posted.
Next day delivery.
Next day delivery, and most of them are like 800 quid. And this one, well, it's sick. Like 380 quid, it's sick. Can't go wrong. So yeah, sounds so good. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more content, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like, comment, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.